What's going on, eighth graders? This is going to be an introduction video to our project for the week. And so each day this week, we're going to like break it down like step by step. And this is just going to be some ways that you can go about that. Really super important note, on Thursday and Friday, I will not be at school. So this is just going to be, there's going to be like a whole playlist of like step by step short videos, what we need to accomplish. So with that, let's get started. All right. You can see here, this is my scratch code. This is a previous one that I've done. So the actual videos I make are going to be different than this, but this is going to give us our end goal. So without any further ado, I'm going to click the flag and you're going to see what happens. So I'm going to talk you through it. So I click my flag and we start. And so as it starts, step one, I just have my little bug here that moves around, and this bug is coded not to go through the color purple. So imagine you were like doing a maze, and then I'm not gonna click, I'm gonna walk over to this level up button right here. And as soon as I do that, it'll take me to level 2. Now, what I don't like about this is I want to be able to start in the same spot every time. That's not how I have it programmed. So we'll work through that as well. But in this level, I'm collecting apples. And each time I collect an apple, I'm getting a point. And you can see that I just glitched. This timer, not really doing anything yet, you'll see in a minute, but right here, this point's currently at 2. Each time I collect an apple, I get another point. Now, I have it coded that when I get to 5 points, 5 apples, a sprite will appear that will take me to level 3. Now, on level 3, what's going to happen is there's going to be like a bad guy. And so I have, again, notice this color purple is like sticking with me the whole time because I can't go through purple. And what I would have done, or like I kind of did in level 2, is I made a maze out of it. But what's important to know here is this bat, which represents like the bad guy, is kind of just flying around randomly. And what I'm trying to do is avoid touching the bat. And what happens is if I touch the bat, I'll get back to there real quick. On a side note, my son thinks these are the most fun games ever. But so here comes the level 3. Now, notice the timer in the top right-hand corner. If I touch the bat, the timer will reset to 10 seconds. So the objective here is to stay away from the bat so you can get to the screen that says, you win. Now, I have this coded to add time. You could also have it coded to take away health. Now, I can spam this, or glitch this, whatever you want to call it, and just hide in the corner. The bat will never touch me, and I get to 0 seconds, and it switches to backdrop. You win. Now, there's definitely some things I could improve about this, but real quick, this is the long-term objective for the week. So real quick, I just have my beetle. I have my sprite here that pops up to get to level 2. These sprites right here are all the sprites that I'm collecting on level 2 to like get a point. This sprite right here is the sprite that shows up after 5 points. And then here's my bat. And you can kind of see, and I'll go through all of this. There's not like a ton of code on any of this. It's just kind of there. And so there's this one, and then those are all the same. I have 2 variables created. Oops, there we go, points and timer. So that's our objective for the week. Follow along with the videos like step by step, because our outcome is going to be a little bit different than this one, or more polished, I should say. Anyway, here you go, and that is that. Oops, wrong stop. Ha, my bad. This is the real stop. There we go.